Hey everyone, welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create this smooth handwriting text animation. So let's jump right into it. First, create a text layer and use the Medina Authentic font. Increase the text size depending on your composition and make sure the text is aligned to the center. Now grab the pen tool and draw a mask following the path where you want the handwriting effect to appear. Next, add the stroke effect. From the stroke settings, enable all mask, set paint style to reveal original image, change brush size to 12, set brush hardness to 100. Now go to the beginning of your timeline and create a keyframe for the end property. Move forward about 40 frames and change the end value to 100%. Select both keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. After that, open the graph editor and switch to the speed graph. Select a keyframe, right click and open keyframe velocity. Set outgoing velocity 30, incoming velocity 70. This will make the writing animation feel much smoother and more natural. Now let's add a little disappearing effect at the end. Apply S_dissolve speckle. Go about 2 frames before the last stroke keyframe and create a keyframe for dissolve percentage at 0%. Then move to the end of your text layer and change it to 100%. Next, add deep glow and set the exposure to 0.13. To give the text more depth, add a drop shadow effect. Use these settings: opacity 100%, distance 10, softness 20. Add a gradient ramp and place it below the stroke effect. Drag the gradient from bottom to top and choose any colors you like. I will be using the same colors shown on screen, but feel free to experiment. Go back to deep glow, enable tint and use color orange, mode soft light, mix 60%. Finally add bevel alpha for a little extra detail and shine. One quick tip before we finish: if you want the handwriting animation to be slower, simply hold Alt and drag the second stroke keyframe farther away. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.